Hey everyone, this is Sean from Entrepreneur Insights, and today I just wanted to share that it's the first snow day here in Northern Virginia. So you can see there's snow outside. And one of the things that I was thinking about when it comes to bad weather is how do you be as productive as you can when the weather's not good outside, right? So maybe employees, if you have business has employees, are working from home. Maybe it just changes everything. Like at my retail store, we opened a little bit late and ended up closing early. How do you take advantage of that time when nobody's coming into the store, or like I say, you're working from home and it changes, not just your work, but maybe your customers won't be in the office, so you can't call them when you need to do stuff like that. So how do you take advantage of that time? Well, one of the things that I did today was, send an email blast. So have your list of your contacts and send them an email. Share a particular thought leadership idea or something like that. And then if there are certain customers that might benefit from something that you provide that might be related to the weather, especially when it comes to the Verizon store, when it comes to people will be home, so it might be easier in that particular case to reach them during the day. In that case, then that's what you're going to want to do. If your customers aren't around, how can you then take something that might be, more likely to connect with them in this particular way? And so with the bad weather, probably people are home, they're getting less emails, or maybe they're just checking emails and not as productive as they otherwise could be. So if you send them an email, they're more likely to read it. So those are a couple tips. Love to know what your tips are. What do you do during a snow day, during bad weather, or whatever it might be that changes your day from being what you would otherwise have expected to something maybe less productive? How do you then make that day productive? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If this video was helpful to you, definitely let us know. Give it a thumbs up. And if it wasn't, definitely let us know in the comments below why you didn't think it was helpful, what you would do differently, how you take advantage of your time during a down day or a day when the weather isn't as cooperative as you would have hoped it to be. So would love to hear your ideas. And again, on this channel, we do entrepreneur insights as well as interviews with entrepreneurs. So if you're an entrepreneur and you'd like to share your story, share about your business with others, we'd love to hear your story. Definitely get in touch with me. Let me know. I would love the opportunity to interview you as well. And thank you so much for watching it. Let us know what you like. Ask questions. Happy to do other videos based on your questions and what you're interested in seeing. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.